How to back up and verify your secret recovery phrase in TokenPocket. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you want to back up and verify your secret recovery phrase in TokenPocket, then follow these steps. Launch or open your TokenPocket app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the bottom right corner from the asset page and tap on the Me button. Inside the Me button, tap on Manage Wallets at the top. Now select your wallet you want to back up, and on the next page, you'll see your wallet address and then the Export Recovery Phrase button. Tap on Export Recovery Phrase and then click on Next. Enter your wallet's password to open up and reveal your recovery phrases, and on the next page, you'll be able to see your backup recovery phrases. Click on the Copy Recovery Phrase button, check on all of the boxes in the pop-up. Make sure that you keep your recovery phrases in a private location. Avoid sharing it with anyone. If you do that, then they will be able to get access to your wallet. Click on Confirm to copy your recovery phrases and paste it in somewhere else safe. You can also go ahead and open up the Notes app on your mobile device and paste it there and keep it confidential. Once you do that, you will be able to back up your recovery phrases. Now, if you ever want to restore your wallet, you can go ahead and paste in this recovery phrases and follow through the instructions. So that is how you can easily back up your recovery phrase. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.